Hello everyone, you're watching the Fleurist and we will be doing a recyclable DIY pot out of used bottles. For this tutorial video, we will be needing a magazine, cutter, a glue gun, some arts materials, and of course, used bottles. So in this video, we will teach you how we can help the environment and be more creative, such as using things that we don't use anymore that we can recycle and customize as we like and make it more a valuable thing. Well then, shall we start and explore our creativity?
Hello, I am Thalia Balda Papas from Group 1 and I will be the one guiding you to make your very own pots. A window for the plant. We will do this by using a permanent marker, drawing an outline of two windows that you will be cutting on the bottle to provide adequate ventilation for the plant, and we will also cut another two for the design.
But before we move on to the third step, let us first add the designs. This is the part wherein you can add every design and details that you like on the bottle. For us, we chose a blue bottle with some vines of flowers, which will show you after the video. Once done, you may now add the rope, which will be explained by my member, Caiga.
For step 3, we will create a rope to hang the bottle. So first we have to open the seal or cup, then roll the rope into the upper part of the cup in the bottle, and then close the seal. After that, we will tie the rope at the end so we can make it look like a handle.
Thank you, Thalia. After all of these steps, you now have your very own recycled bottle that you can use to plant your plants at home. Well, that's for all of us today. Thank you and bye.
So now we just turn your use button to iPhone. That's it for Fleurist today. Until the next video.